In today's video, I'm gonna talk about 3 brand vinyls that you should carry in your shop. Coming up. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. It's your boy Flex McKenzie. And before we hop into the video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Share this video. Drop your boy a comment. And don't forget to like my video. You understand? Like my video. Right now, hit that like button before it's over. It will help me. It will help me circulate in YouTube and Google. Okay, so hit that like button for me right now. Thank you. And also, if you're interested in one of the world's best vinyl, the B-FLEX Gimme5, link is down below. Use my link because your boy get a small little commission. And also I have Amazon link down below. And if you want to get those Hotronic or any other Caesar vinyl or any other vinyl, hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse. Link is also down below. And also the next vinyl that moving in closer to the, to get up there on top, the Econo transfer vinyl. I want you to try them. Hit them up. Link is down below. Now let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna start with number 3, 2, and then I'm gonna tell you my number 1 that you should have. But you should have all these 3 vinyl. But also, I'm gonna continue testing vinyl, and in future videos I'm gonna update and add more vinyl that you should have in your shop. For now, these are the 3 vinyl that I think you should have. But I'm gonna continue to update, try other, like I want to try the wallet cut and other vinyls. Okay, number 3, the Caesar Easy Weed vinyl. It press at 305 10 to 15 second hot peel or cold peel. That's a good thing. Get a choice, hot or cold. So that's good. Now I love the Caesar Easy Weed vinyl. One of the main reasons that I like it, because for small details it does perfect. I do small little letters and it's easy to get into the cavity and pick out those vinyl. So that one of the reasons why I love it, and it press good on the shirt. It feel fantastic on your shirt. I never had a problem of it's peeling. If you're having a problem that it's peeling, maybe it's your press. Your press may not be good. Your temperature, is off. Always use a temperature gun to make sure you check all around to make sure that your heat press is heating up to the right temperature. And also remember, just because it said 305 the temperature, that's what tested on their machine, but your machine, it could be like 310 or 306, 307 to get to the correct temperature. So always test your temperature. Never just look at the recommend temperature, set your machine and press it, unless you're using the Hotronic where, that's always on point. So use a temperature gun and check to see why it's peeling. Pressure is another thing. You might be not using the correct pressure, maybe too heavy, too light. You have to test to make sure you get the correct pressure on any vinyl, not just this vinyl, any vinyl that you're using. Now let's get into the Pro. Now the Pro, you could find the Caesar Easy Weed vinyl almost every store locally. It's like everywhere. You turn here, it's there. You turn there, it's there. No matter where you look, it's there. And the next thing is, it's great on small details. So I use it for small details because I always come up with some crazy design and customer seems to order it. And it also feels good. It feels good on your garment, and after you wash it, it stays there too. Let's get into the con. The con is it's the temperature for me sometimes, you know. The temperature, maybe not the temperature so much, but the seconds matters. The temperature is 305, 10 to 15 seconds. Now if I'm doing, let's say, 12 shirts and I have to stand there for 15 seconds, and then, you know, sometimes I want to hit it the second time just to guarantee because I don't have a great press, that takes a lot of time. Unless you got the time and you don't mind the 10 to 15 second, then you want to hit it a second time, you know, it's going to take a lot of time to make at least 12 shirt, or, you know, if you're making like 5 t-shirt, that's fine. Depends on how many design you're using on the shirt, then, you know, it will not be a problem for you. Now, to get the Caesar EasyWeed vinyl, hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse. The link is down below. I'm telling you, go try it, design something small, and see how well it works out. Now let's get into number 2. The number 2 vinyl that you should have in your shop is the Econo Transfer Vinyl. I love that name, Econo Transfer Vinyl, and it does live up to that name, you know what I'm saying? But you should have the Econo Transfer Vinyl. It's 310 to 12 second hot peel, and when I'm peeling it, it's just smooth. No problem with the Econo Transfer Vinyl, and it feels good, it looks good on your shirt. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Now let's get into the pro of the Econo Transfer Vinyl. Easy to weed. When I mean easy, I mean you know, and it's easy to cut. There's no problem if you use heat transfer smooth, I believe, on if you're using a Cameo. I don't know about any other machine, but on the Cameo it's cut easy and it's easy to weed. No problem with the Econo Transfer Vinyl when you're weeding it. It's also, it's not sticky on the back, which is fine. It's not so sticky, but which is fine. Who cares if it's sticky or not? It's still great. It press easy, you know. Like I said, gotta have the right temperature. Make sure you test your machine to make sure it's spitting out the right temperature all over, not just one part, because some machine heat up in the front, heat up in the back, the side, and you know, you get, then when it's time for you to peel, it won't peel correctly. You have to have a heat temperature gun. The Econo Transfer Vinyl also do great on small details. I didn't try it on real small details like I did with the Caesar EasyWeed, but it did great on small design. So if you're looking for a transfer that peels good, the back is not too sticky, the Econo Transfer Vinyl is great for that, and I think you should try it. Let's get into the con. The Econo Transfer Vinyl, you can't find it locally like that. It depends on where you live, but it's not locally, like you can't go to just any vinyl store and find it. But it's understandable because they're not like this huge distributor yet, but they're getting there, you know, they're getting there, because when you order it from their website, the shipping is fast. You get fast shipping, but sooner or later, every store, I guarantee you're gonna see the Econo Transfer Vinyl. So go ahead, link is down below to the Econo Transfer Vinyl. You don't have to order a lot. You could just order a sample of the Econo Transfer Vinyl. You know, go there, spend, I don't know, $8, and then I want you to try it for yourself. And then come back and leave your boy a comment and tell me what you think about it, how it peels, how it weeds, how it looks. So the link is down below. Go try them. Now let's get into number 1. I know what some of you gonna say. You already figure out what's Flex number 1 vinyl would be. It shouldn't be hard to figure out what's my number 1 vinyl. Yes, the B-FLEX Gimme5. That's my number 1 choice. the B-FLEX Gimme5. The B-FLEX Gimme5 is 285 4 seconds. What? 285 4 seconds? You mean, Flex, you're telling me I could pump out at least 12 to 20 shirts in seconds using the B-FLEX Gimme5? 4 seconds? Yes, 4 seconds. But here's my but. You have to make sure that your machine is heating up correctly. Do I have to say any more? Do I have to explain again to you that you must make sure it's spitting the right temperature out? Now, on their machine, it's 285, but on your machine, it might be 290. 295, which is perfectly fine. You turn up the heat a little bit to get your machine to the correct temperature, and you could add a little seconds to it. Like, let's say you could add an extra 1 or 2 seconds, which is fine. But come on, 285 4 seconds. If you have the Hotronic, you guaranteed to get that spitting out to you. So if your vinyl is not sticking, 1, trash your machine. 2, not enough pressure or too much pressure. 3, should I say 3 is number 1, the same thing. Your machine is not heating up the correct way. You have to use a temperature gun and make sure once you have your temperature gun and it's spitting out the right temperature, you have the correct pressure, guarantee your vinyl will stick and last you for a long time, because your boy got it back here too, and this shirt been like, it's over a year. I think I did this in like 2018 and it's still on the back, and your boy doesn't even follow the direction on washing it. I just throw it in there, hot water, throw it in the dryer, turn up the heat on it, and I don't pay attention to it. So I'm telling you, you press that bad boy the correct way, your vinyl will last. Let's get into the Pro. The Pro is 285 4 seconds. That means less time pressing and more time making money doing something else, right? I'm right. The feel of the Gimme5 feel great on your clothes. If you do it the right way, it goes in the clothes. It feels nice and soft. It holds up in the wash, and it peels great too. Once you press that bad boy, shh. Now, if you have a larger print, you might have to hold the shirt down to peel it, okay? Because it's a larger print. You need a little bit more manpower. So don't go get it and say, oh, it's not coming up. It's because you just got to hold the shirt down and peel it, and it peels so smooth coming on. Smaller design, you can use one hand and you, woo-hoo-hoo. Yep, that's the B-FLEX Gimme5. Now let's get into the con. The con is you can't find the B-FLEX everywhere locally. It also depends on where you at. That is sad for me, because I love my B-FLEX. But you know, the upcoming company, and one day they're gonna be in all your little stores around that sell vinyl, trust me, and your big stores too. Because the B-FLEX is growing. Why? Because the B-FLEX is a really good vinyl. A lot of people don't want to turn their machines up to like 320, 325, 330, pressing these vinyl. You know, 285 is a great temperature for 4 seconds, and it stays on your garment. So that's all your boy got for you. But remember, for all vinyl, for any vinyl that you are using, you always have to make sure your machine heats up the correct way, because I hear people having problems with vinyls. And the reason why your vinyl, unless if it's not those cheap Amazon vinyl, if you're buying those cheap Amazon vinyl, it's not gonna stick. So don't waste your time going to other people's videos saying that your vinyl is not sticking. You're buying cheap vinyl. So stop buying Amazon, eBay cheap vinyl, no name vinyl. who knows where they make these vinyl, probably in someone's basement, and then you're gonna go on someone's video and say, oh, the vinyls are not sticking, and then other people reads it, they think they talking about the vinyl that you're the creator is showing. Stop buying Amazon vinyl. They don't worth it. They don't worth your time. They don't worth your machine time. They don't, especially your customer. You don't want to send them those cheap vinyl. It will peel. So get yourself some good vinyl. B-FLEX, Econo transfer vinyl, Caesar vinyl, and also there's more vinyl that I'm testing, like the Walcott. I'm testing the Walcott. That's from Heat Transfer Warehouse. That's their brand, and I'm testing that vinyl to see how good it will last in the wash. And I will update videos of new vinyl. So stay tuned. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I update all these vinyls, so you could have multiple choice of vinyl in your stores, you get the notification. So hit the notification, share the video, drop your boy a like if you did not like the video. I appreciate all of you. Let's make it to 10,000 subscribers this year. I need your help, so share the video please, so I could continue making more and more video. So remember, for the B-FLEX Gimme5 vinyl, and they also have the fatty vinyl, and they have different vinyl. I think the B-FLEX, they have about 60 different vinyl. Don't hold me to the 60, but hold me to the 60. Go to the vinyl stand down below and check out all their vinyl for the Gimme5, and also check out their fatty vinyl. Canon transfer, go check them out. Order a sample, get like a 20-inch vinyl or something like that. Try it for yourself. The link is down below. Go try it and let your boy know what you think about the Canon transfer. The Caesar Easy Weed vinyl, get your hands on some. You could order it from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Link is down below. And you could also get your Hotronic, where you guarantee, it's gonna cost a lot. It's not these cheap Amazon machine or these lower brand. This is a really good heat press, the Hotronic. Go to Heat Transfer Warehouse and just check it out. Link is down below. Until next time, this is your boy Flex, and guess what? I'm out.